Welcome to the Lead Pedal Podcast with your host, Bruce Outridge, where he talks all things trucking. Now let's get rolling.
Hey, how's everybody doing today? Welcome to an edition of the Lead Pedal Podcast. Today we're going to update you on a whole bunch of stuff coming up in the month of June here in trucking in Ontario, Canada for the most part, but there are a couple U.S. ones on here for sure, and we're going to get you started. All right, let's get on to our first one here, the CITT conference happening June 3rd to 5th in Calgary, Alberta. CITT.ca is where you can get that. By the time you're listening to this, it's probably, coming up real fast. I hope you got your tickets then. The Central Ontario Regional Truck Driving Championships happening June 12th, 2026 in Kitchener, Ontario. This one is very cool. I've covered this one before, so if you want to see some of the stuff that we've got going on, they've got backing challenges, bullseye stop challenges, circle check challenges, a diminishing alley challenge. They've got a whole knowledge test you have to go through, an offset challenge, and the serpentine challenge, just to name a few. Man, this is for the good drivers. They even give you a set of B-trains and let you try with that. So get out there. This is a big competition, and of course, this one goes to a larger competition for the province. So make sure you check it out. It's going to be big this year because normally there's another one that happens in Toronto, but that one's on hold this year, so I think a lot of people are going to go out to the central one. So make sure you get in there. Lots of great stuff. We've been there before. You can go to cortdc.com to learn all about that. If you think you're professional enough to get on with it, then this is the one for you. Now, the next one we're going to be at is at the PMTC Annual Conference. This, as you know, is a wonderful conference. We've done it every year. This year it's going to be in Niagara Falls, June 16th, 17th, 2026. It was a 3-day conference, down to 2 days. You can go to pmtc.ca. One of the best conferences in our area. If you're a work or are part of a private motor truck council or private motor fleet, you need to be there for sure. PMTC.ca is where you've got to go there, and we will see you there, my friends. If you're in the States, June 25th, 27th, Shell Rotel is having their Super Rigs Truck Show. That's going to be at the Atlanta Speedway in Atlanta, Georgia. You know that's going to be a good time. Always have some big winners come out of that one. So check them out at rotella.shell.com, and you can go there and just look for Super Rigs for sure. And I'll give you the first one in July, even though we're not getting into July yet. The Clifford Truck Show, I just want you to plan. This is one of the great ones out there. Clifford Truck Show in Clifford, Ontario, July 3rd, 4th, 2026. You can go to GreatLakesTruckClub.com. All right, so that brings us out for June. See you at the shows, my friend. I know you're going to love it. Bye for now.
This